Okay, welcome everybody to Matt Bajerski YouTube channel. Oh, these carpets feel lovely. Brand new carpets. Okay, what day is it today? 26th, 27th? I don't know. But anyway, I do know. Let's have a look. It'll say it here. It's the 27th. I would have got it wrong. Welcome everybody to 31 days. I hope it's 31 days. 31 days of beautiful special offers. Each day there is a special offer on mattbajerski.com. Now, if you click on some of the older special offers, they may not be available because we might have only had like 10 sets or 4 sets. So I'm sorry about that, but first come, first serve. But anyway, today, 27th, Saturday, it's Saturday, everybody. Saturday's a Tiswas Day, remember? Okay, let's have a look. If you're from America, you're going, no. Tiswas was, it was a children's program. So there you go. We used to wait for it. Yeah, Saturday's a Tiswas. Never the day to be Scotch. Saturday's a Tiswas Day. But shut up, Mark. Okay. Today we're doing... Oh, I like this one. Yes, I enjoy choosing this. This is Breakthrough. Breakthrough the Matrix kit. Oh, do we need that right now? Shake up. Wake up! Put the glasses on! Okay, so Breakthrough the Matrix kit. What a brilliant idea. So what did I come up with? Okay, first of all, cleanse and clear all those blocks from all your chakras if you believe in them, but just to clear out all of this, obviously. Beautiful bottle of Agua de Florida. Shamans use it. They've been using it for a long time. Fantastic stuff. I love using it. Okay, that's the first thing. You just a little bit on the hands, rub it together. Breathing through the nose. You'll be coughing and all that most of the time, but it's okay. 3 times through the nose, that's enough. You'll just open yourself up and that's it. And then with the rest, just do that. Just go around the body like that. It's fantastic. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to get a box each of my beautiful sticks. The first one is Sacred Cleansing Negative Energy Stick. So they're from a sacred plant, so it's sacred. So the Palo Santo tree, in and amongst with lots of other beautiful natural resins and myrrh and so on. So absolutely beautiful. 3 minutes around your body with a little piece of that is all you need. Before and after, if you're doing any kind of work. Okay, so even if you go out before, when you come back in after, trust me, you will feel better. The awakening sticks, again, only a couple of minutes, not even that. Maybe about 30 seconds around your head. These sticks will last you for ages around your head, and then quickly put it out. Okay, brilliant. Wake you up from that matrix. Next, cleansing attachments. We all need this. What does it mean, cleansing attachments? It all sounds a bit weird. All it is the highest strength of sage spray. When you spray this around you, it's like you are being smudged. You are clearing your aura of anything heavy that may be there. And if it is, it will be gone. So any entity attachment just clears. And there are people now being hijacked. Millions all over every day. So always good to use that. Use it. Keep it with you all the time. This is Cleansing Negative Energy Spray. It's exactly the same as the sticks. We just squeeze and get the natural oil out of there, and it's in here. So that's Palo Santo. It clears any negative energy. So depending on how you're feeling, if you just want to keep yourself nice and strong, spray Cleansing Negative Energy. If you feel down, if you feel weird, if you feel like you're hearing things that you don't want to hear in your head and like, well, this doesn't feel like me, then you go for the Cleansing Entity Spray. That's it, sage. Brilliant. Okay, next. It's got to be this. It's got to be this. Always carry a beautiful piece of Tektite around with you. Keep it in your hand. It's absorbing negative energy, whether it's in your pocket, wherever you put it, keep it in your hand as often as you can. I, as a healer, used to work with Tektite all the time and kept it around my neck and in my pocket all the time. And then lastly, you know what it has to be. Moldavite Trio is I believe, always has been the most powerful 3 crystals in the world. So you'll also get one of these beauties. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Tektite, of course. This is Moldavite from Maliclum, and this is Herkimer Diamond from the Ace of Mines in New York. And those 3 together combined are basically a divine energy of protection. So, yeah, let me get them all back in there. I actually think that's an incredible kit. So altogether, and this is an incredible price. You just about buy a pendant and a spray with this at what we're letting it go at. So all of that together comes to 364, and today only there might be only 4 kits. So good luck. We're doing it, all of it, including to your door free DHL delivery, which costs us at least, for all that, at least €38. So you're paying $180 for everything, the delivery right to your door in a few days, and all of that. I think that's amazing. That's an amazing kit. So yeah, if it's not there when you click on, I'm sorry, but we can only limit so many of them. That's a lot of product for a little money. So I hope you appreciate all that. And hey, awaken even more to the matrix. That's basically what that will do. Even if you are aware, you'll be even more aware when you use this on a day-to-day basis for the next few weeks. So there you go. All this, enjoy. One link below.